Hey guys, this is how to change your icon size as well as the text size in Windows 10. So your icons out on your desktop are pretty much, they can get a little bit small depending on the size of screen that you have, and the text can be quite hard to read. So there's a couple of options that you can do. If you have a big screen and your icons are really small, you can right click on the desktop and you can go to View, and you can say have large icons, and as you see they blow up, but the text doesn't. So what we need to do is we need to go down to the search bar and we need to type in make text size bigger, and that's the first option that pops up. Click on that, and right here we're at 100%, and what we can do on this slider is we can move it to this as much as we want, how big as we want, all the way up to 225%. Now if we drop it to 150% and we click apply, you can see that now the text matches your icon, and that's how you change the icon size and the text size in Windows 10.